guys, welcome back to the channel. One of the most common questions I get is how do you do a lap at XYZ track? So today we're going to explore Arizona Motorsports Park and counterclockwise. As with any racetrack, a good lap starts at the first corner. Getting this initial entry correct is extremely important to the next little S section. Extremely important to set up turn 15 as far to the left as possible in order to straight line 14B and 14A. This allows you to get on the throttle earlier. Make sure to track all the way out. Turn 12 is a misleading corner. The entry is fairly early and you can get on the gas quite hard as it is slightly positive camber. As you come towards turn 11, be sure to apex at the end of the strip and stay track left, which opens up your entry into turn 10, allowing you to get on the gas earlier. Turn 9 is essentially not there, and you're really focusing more on the late entry into turn 8. Early entry, you'll run out of room on the left side and won't be able to put power down. Just like 9 and 8, you're going to essentially forget 7 and 6 and focus mainly on 5. That way your exit speed is as high as possible. Staying wide typically works best, and get your eyes around the corner to look at the cone. Depending on your confidence level, you might be able to negotiate 4 at speed and brake right before turn 3, but sometimes it doesn't pan out and you end up going off track. With turn 2 and 1, I recommend just being patient and realizing the track is a lot wider than it looks. There is a bump on the exit of 1 though, so be careful. And those are my track tips for Arizona Motorsports counterclockwise. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, leave some comments, let me know what tracks you'd like me to cover, and we'll see you next time.